By the end of the 20th century, the US was basically the Tony Stark of the skies, flying high-tech stealth jets, while everyone else was still figuring out how to work the eject button. The F-22 Raptor and B-2 Spirit were not just planes. They were Batman's gadgets with afterburners. Meanwhile, China was still flying Soviet hand-me-downs, basically the aviation equivalent of borrowing your big brother's old flip phone. Fast forward a few decades, and suddenly China's jets are looking suspiciously like they just copied America's homework. So now the big question is, are we looking at real rivals, or just really good impersonators with Photoshop-level mimicry? America's sixth-generation superfighter. The US is not resting on the laurels of past triumphs. At the forefront of American air dominance is the F-47, part of the next-generation air dominance program. Boeing, outmaneuvering defense giants Lockheed and Northrop, secured the contract to develop this groundbreaking fighter. According to official disclosures and comments from the US president, the F-47 has been secretly undergoing test flights for nearly 5 years. First mentioned by the Air Force in 2020, this sixth-generation jet, also referred to as the penetrating counter-air fighter, is set to replace the aging but formidable F-22 Raptor. Unlike traditional fighters, the F-47 is envisioned as the nerve center of a broad combat ecosystem. It will coordinate operations with autonomous drones, unmanned aircraft, and other assets using a collaborative combat architecture. Notably, the new jet will be more cost-effective than its predecessor, with the Air Force eyeing the procurement of 200 to 300 units to replace its current fleet of 180 Raptors. In terms of design, the F-47 will ditch the tail fins and incorporate cutting-edge stealth features, improving its ability to evade radar. Its canard small forward wings will enhance aerodynamic agility. Equipped with next-gen adaptive propulsion engines, it will generate between 35,000 and 40,000 pounds of thrust, achieve speeds over Mach 2, and boast a range exceeding 1,500 miles. The F-47 will support both manned and unmanned configurations, and future weapons integration includes hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, and even combat lasers. The mysterious J-36 and J-50. In stark contrast to the public evolution of the F-47, China's sixth-generation projects remain shrouded in secrecy. Nevertheless, glimpses of their progress have emerged. In late 2024, observers spotted 2 new aircraft over Chengdu, Sichuan, the heavier J-36 and the more agile J-50. The J-36 appears to adopt a trijet, tailless flying wing design, and experts suspect it will be powered by either China's WS-15 domestic engine or a brand new system yet to be publicly acknowledged. The expected operational range is about 1,200 miles, slightly less than that of the American F-47. One key distinction lies in network integration. The U.S. next-generation air dominance framework is designed to function as a node in a vast command, control, communications, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance web, sharing data across satellites, ground systems, and other aircraft. Chinese doctrine still prioritizes tactical integration within formations rather than a fully global system, which places them behind in achieving total battlefield awareness. Though China's designs may catch up in stealth and maneuverability, it's unlikely they'll match the full spectrum of capabilities built into America's sixth-generation ecosystem anytime soon. The proven warrior. No discussion of modern air combat is complete without mentioning the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. With over 1,000 units produced by 2022, it is the world's most prolific fifth-generation multi-role fighter. The F-35 excels in versatility, capable of carrying out air superiority, strike, and reconnaissance missions with precision. Its standout features include advanced stealth, sensor fusion, and cutting-edge avionics. One of its engineering marvels is the mission system software, with the Block 3F version alone incorporating over 8.6 million lines of code. The latest upgrade, Block 4, pushes the envelope further, It required a 50% increase in cooling capacity and introduced technology Refresh 3, a hardware upgrade, including a new display, processor, and memory modules. Plans are also underway to allow the F-35 to coordinate with next-generation air dominance aircraft and drone fleets under the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Initiative. Meanwhile, China's J-35, also known as the J-31 or FC-31, is a direct answer to the F-35. Designed as a carrier-capable stealth fighter, its radar system is similar to the F-35's Army-Navy APG-81, and its helmet-mounted display resembles the British-made Stryker HMD. However, the J-35 falls behind in sensor fusion, radar capability, and real-world combat experience. While the F-35 has proven its mettle in Iraq, Syria, and Afghanistan, the J-35 remains largely untested outside of trials. Intelligence leaks, including data allegedly stolen by Chinese hackers in 2013, may have sped up China's progress but have not enabled full parity. The legacy and future of the Raptor. The F-22 Raptor was the original poster child of American stealth and air superiority. So advanced was this fifth-generation fighter that export was banned by federal law to prevent technology leaks. Its sleek design reduces radar visibility through meticulous shaping and edge alignment. Powered by twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, it can reach super cruise speeds, supersonic without afterburners, a rare feat. In recent years, the F-22 has served as a testbed for emerging technologies, including new metallic coatings, upgraded sensors, and Mach 5-capable air-to-air missiles like the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile. Its Chinese rival is the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. This twin-engine fighter features canards for improved maneuverability, but sacrifices some stealth in the process. In simulated group engagements with drones, China claims a high probability of success against the F-22, but in one-on-one combat, U.S. analysts estimate the Raptor would still win in over 90% of scenarios. Moreover, the J-20 lacks an internal gun, a critical omission in close-range dogfights. And while it carries PL-15 and PL-10 missiles, the F-22's loadout, combined with stealth fuel tanks, gives it a longer effective range and superior kill potential. The Battle of the Bombers. When the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber first appeared, it stunned the world. Its triangular flying wing design and $2.13 billion price tag raised eyebrows, but its 30-hour flight endurance and surgical strike precision earned respect. It can carry up to 60,000 pounds of ordnance, including nuclear bombs up to 1.2 megatons. If this aerial arms race got your engines roaring, go ahead and smash that like button before it takes off. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss another sonic boom of defense tech and futuristic firepower. More sky battles, stealth secrets, and supersonic stories are just one click away. Don't get left on the runway.